KRA mayande no yud kod ketho adek motenore kod wechego eko mag mibadhi kanyakla kod kawo asoya owe thuolo e bond mar shillings 300,000. John Bosco Okochi, ofisa mar customers ka KRA kanyakla kod jalup station manager Mais Bania manoero migosi Simon Mutinda Mwangi mabende nochopo e nyim jang'ad bura Johnston Mungutu noyud kod keth adek mago eko mag mibadhi kod kawo asoya e tijegi. Oboke mar doho nyiso ni apisa go eko kaduolo ero makedo kod mibadhi nomako achije ariyo go eko e dwe mar 11 higa no ero mar 2019. Kata kamano nogolgi e cash bail mano ero mar shillings 50,000 e kinde mabende ne pod itimonegi nonro. Nomakgi kendo bang' tieko timo nonro kendo noyudgi kod ketho makamago eko mag kawo asoya e kindego eko mag tiyo apis kata obedo ni gin jotije sirikal mapachuka.
Within Migori County, being persons employed by a public body, to which the Kenya Revenue Authority is the Deputy Station Manager, Isibani, Customs and Border Control, that is Simon Mutinda Mumu. You are described as the Deputy Station Manager, Isibani, Border Customs and the Border Control, while Mr. John Bosco Okoch, you are employed as a customs officer at that station. Is that true, Mr. John Bosco Okoch?
Not true.
In this case, you are facing charges under the Bribery Act and also under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act. Each of you is facing 3 counts. 1 count under the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act and the 2 counts under the Bribery Act. Considering the kind of punishment that is likely to be imposed in the event those charges are proven, I am minded to grant each of you a bond because the DPP is not opposed. The bond terms are for each of you is Kenya shillings 300,000 shillings plus actuarity of a similar amount. There is an option to pay a cash bail of 100,000 shillings. You must deposit your identity cards, your telephone contacts. Then you must also produce 2 sureties